today, guys, we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, and I'm going to teach you how to get 3 Honey Day events in Bee Swarm Simulator. So let's go. So first of all, by just logging in now at this point, you can get the first Honey Day event. So first of all, if you don't know what the Honey Day event is, the Honey Day event is basically 2 times conversion rate and 2 times pollen for 2 days straight. So the second way is completing Beesmas. Yes, this has to be only in Beesmas. So I'm gonna show you. So first of all, you should have to know how to complete Beesmas. Second of all, you have to know. You have to second of all, you kind of have to what do you have to do? You have to open up the present. The 16th present. I'm gonna go to the 16th present now. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go to the present. Oh, perfect. Let me just retry. This would be quick. Sorry for the inconvenience, but yeah, I fell. Okay, let's try this time. And failed again. That's great. Absolutely great. Okay, third time's the charm. Let's do it. Okay, let's go. Yes, I made it finally. You have to go here, open up this present, and complete Beesmas. That's how you get the second one. The third one, you get, it's going to be happening later this Beesmas, because on it, shut down the servers, and people that bought Robux things during that, like in an hour between that, lost that Robux thing. So to make it up with them, they are getting another Honey Day event. Okay? See you later. Peace out.